Next, we'll demonstrate the zigzag stitch. Let's start with this middle one, using 6 strands of color number 8. First, bring up from above. Insert at this position. Pass the needle vertically forward. Then return to insert above. Same as before. Bring up vertically at the forward triangle point. Let's demonstrate again. Pass up at the lower point. Insert. Complete the pattern following these steps. Insert. Let's look at the finished result. This left pattern is also zigzag stitch. Let's reinforce this stitch technique using 6 strands of color number 3. Same steps as before. Keep stitch spacing and angles even to ensure zigzag uniformity. Stitches form a zigzag pattern, creating continuous waves, producing a delicate, beautiful effect. Insert. Let's look at the finished result.